Welcome back to the channel. It is another beautiful day here in Benton, Kentucky at Country Chevrolet. Today I have a 2019 Chevy Equinox LT. This comes in a beautiful mosaic metallic. I mean, it sparkles in the sun. It has a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. You go in here and you are loaded with features for an LT. Power locks and windows. You have black cloth interior, but they are heated. You have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, backup camera. You have full collision alert and lane keep assist. You also have 27,746 miles on this 2019. It is still under factory warranty. You have remote start and a hands-free liftgate. Now these Equinoxes, they do have quite a bit of room in the back for cargo. I mean, you can luggage, set of golf clubs. You can fit a lot back here. It's surprising. Like I said, we're a Country Chevrolet. We're located in Benton, Kentucky. This thing will not last long. We go through a lot of used SUVs. We price them very well. My number's in the description. You can also go to our website. You can call, text me. Let's work some numbers. Let's make a deal. Take us home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.